guys, welcome back to my channel Anantan's Raksan. This is Dr. Krishma Desai and thank you for so much of love, and I hope you are enjoying at home. At the same time, you're taking care of yourself. Even if you're going out, then taking utmost precautions. So yeah, let's get into the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do. Lots of love. You guys already know that I have a video on Faces Canada's All-Time Pro Matte Lip Crayons, and these are actually the mini version of those lipsticks. So obviously in different shades, and I want to swatch them and review them for you guys, and also want to include those three lipsticks that I have done already, so that if you're watching for the first time, you can get all the lipsticks in one video. Yeah, so let's start with it. So here is the pretty packaging of Faces Canada's All-Time Pro Matte Lip Crayon in mini, and they are in collaboration with Kriti Sanon. They look very cute and they are for 549 rupees. Net content is 2.5 grams. The regular ones, the regular sizes are for 799, and you get about 2.8 grams. That is the net content of the regular sizes. So I think I would stick to the mini ones. They are really cute. Let's see what brand has to claim. All-Time Pro Matte Lip Crayons are having luxe creamy matte texture. They give you high coverage, dermatologically tested, intense, long-lasting color in a single stroke, super comfortable on lips, paraben-free, and rich with chamomile oil and cocoa butter. Again, they have given a tip on how to apply this. Apply lip crayon from the center to the outer edges of your lips, following the contour of your mouth. So here are the lipsticks. This is the regular one, this is the mini one. Regular one comes with a transparent cap, and the mini one comes with a black cap having a floral design on it. Maybe that's good for differentiating. And yeah, also you have to sharpen them regularly in order to get the best finish and application. That's about the packaging and everything. So before we move on to the swatch section, let me just complete with my review on this lipsticks. As you can see, they are not completely transfer proof. They do transfer, but a very less amount of it. You can see my lips are still pigmented and pretty. These lipsticks are very creamy, and they settle down to matte finish, which is amazing. As I said, the pigmentation is very good, especially in the darker shades. In lighter shades, you might have to apply them twice, but that's completely okay with me. Again, they have so many shades available for all the occasions, and there is no feathering or fading until you eat a big heavy meal, which I already told you in last Nykaa haul as well. They don't fade that easily. They stay for a good 6 to 7 hours on my lips, and I highly recommend you guys to buy these lipsticks, try them. And I especially love the mini lipsticks in this range. And yeah, so let's move to the swatch section.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above.
Spice Latte is a pale brown color, and I've been wearing this in the entire video if you notice, so I loved it definitely. This is how it looks.
Sycamore tree.
This shade gives you a very soft and pleasant look, and I'm in love with this shade. This is a beautiful shade, Midnight Rose 02. It's a maroon plus hint of red kind of a shade, and I absolutely love it. If I'm wearing this lipstick, I won't wear any eyeshadow or kajal, just this lipstick and some mascara, and I'm done. Beautiful and bold color.
Dream a little dreamer.
This shade is I'm Yours 08, which is brown and variable, and I'm loving it.
Seem to whisper.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
It's a beautiful shade. It's quite dark compared to Spice Latte. Now this shade is Divine Rose 12, and it's a beautiful pink shade. Even though I'm not a big fan of pink lipsticks, but somehow I like this and I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or not. I'm still confused about this shade, and this is how it looks. Those were the Faces Canada's All-Time Pro Matte Lip Crayon in Mini, and now I'll be swatching 3 regular versions of this lipsticks that I have with me. This one is Evening Star. The number is 40 and it's a beautiful evening wear shade.
Breezes seem to whisper.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
Now this shade is Cashmere 23 and it's a beautiful peachy nude color. It's perfect for office wear and I love it. It's definitely one of my favorites. And this is how it looks.
Breezes seem to whisper.
This is my least favorite color from the whole collection and I didn't like this at all. It's very bright and orange and neon kind of feeling to it, so I didn't like it at all. It's Runway Ready 31 and I accidentally purchased it, so I can't do anything with it. Yeah, but I do mix this one with some lighter shades to create a little nicer decent color and I use it that way. I said this before as well, if you can pull it, if you're confident about it, then go for it. I'm not asking you not to buy it because it's a shade and every shade looks different on every person, so
Saturday night, sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
So that's all guys, these are the 7 shades that I'm having with me and I almost love most of the colors apart from this one. But yeah, I hope this video was useful for you, and if you want such videos, like if you want me to swatch more lipsticks, then please comment down below and lots of love. Bye bye.